This is Milwaukee's new Packout rolling drawer. It sits at the base of your custom Packout stack and allows easy one-handed access to its contents so you can access your gear without having to remove any of your Packout units off the top. It features 113 kilograms of capacity, which is almost a whole Tim, allowing you to carry larger tools and as much as possible on and off site in a single trip. And of course, the job site's not a golf green, but it is easy to roll this case on and off site, fully loaded, thanks to those large 9-inch all-terrain wheels. And that handle you drive it with is collapsible down below flush with the unit for easy storage. You've also got those side handles so you can get it on and off the back of your ute easily. On top of the drawer's huge capacity, it comes standard with 2 large and 6 small dividers so you can compartmentalize that space down to suit your needs. You've also got that handy removable tray on top so you don't bury your smaller bits and bobs. The drawer slides in and out nicely too. You've got tracks at the top, large rollers at the base. And the drawer won't fall out the front at full extension either, which means you can access the contents while it's up high on a bench or in the back of your ute. And something really handy is that it's compatible with all Milwaukee's Packout organisational attachments, which go on the sides of your existing Packout units. With the addition of some slots inside the drawer, you can put the battery and tool organisers just to further make your Packout rig work the way you do. And lastly, there's a slot at the front to whack on a padlock to slow down any sticky fingers. The new Packout rolling drawer is available at all Sydney Tool stores now in the Milwaukee. I'll make sure you check it out. You can get the full specs and order online from our website. And if you have any questions, as always, hit me up in that comment section down below. Until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.